Using Bitcoin for everyday payments is super easy, but fees often make small purchases impossible, which is why the Lightning Network was created. It works on the second layer of Bitcoin. We've been using Lightning for a long time. When me and Kaká from Area Bitcoin went to El Salvador in 2021 and 2022, we paid several things in Lightning, like coffee, ice cream, taxi, and food. Every country has stores that accept Bitcoin, but how to get Bitcoin on Lightning to start using it? That's what I'm going to show you in this video today. In this video, you will learn how to buy Bitcoin not on the main blockchain layer, but on the layer 2 on the Lightning Network, and transfer it to your wallet to start making payments with Bitcoin. For this, I will use Azteco Vouchers, which are available in 4 continents, so if you live in Central America, Europe, the United States, and Asia, this step-by-step guide will help you through. Let's practice and see how to do this. The Lightning Network is an instant payments network with near zero fees and used for everyday payments. This means that it is a network that allows faster and cheaper transactions than on blockchain. A detail that many people confuse or still don't know is that to use Bitcoin on Lightning, you need to have Bitcoin on the Lightning Network. One of the ways you can do this is by purchasing Bitcoin via Lightning through the Azteco website. Let's see how it works. The first step is to access the website azte.co. You will then choose between the available methods for purchasing your voucher, which will depend on the region and country where you are. For example, if you are in Latin American countries like Colombia, you can buy a voucher online directly from Azteco by paying with cash through a partner online store, or earn a Bitcoin voucher by completing surveys on the Price Rebel website. If you are in South Africa, you do not have the option to buy directly from Azteco with cash. But in addition to being able to buy from a partner store, there are options to purchase through Acoin and EasyPay voucher. Finally, if you are in Japan, Canada, or in the United Kingdom, your option will be to purchase from a partner on online store. As I am in Brazil, I will select Brazil on the arrow above. Here to me, 3 options are available: buy Bitcoin from Azteco in cash, in an online store, or earn Bitcoin by completing surveys. This time, I'll buy using one Azteco's partner stores and pay using a credit card. Many people live in countries where banks do not allow transferring fiat to exchange or brokers. This type of Bitcoin purchase via credit or debit card through Azteco makes much easier to buy Bitcoin. So, I'm going to click on Buy from an online store. 3 store options will appear. I will click on the first one, Ineba. Then, a page opens with several vouchers with pre-established values. As the stores are global, the value appears in euros. It appears 10 euros, 50 euros, 25 euros, but below the price appears in reais. I'm based in Brazil, but it will appear in the local currency of wherever you are. So when buying from partner stores, you buy values already established in advance, and you can buy more than one voucher too. Also note how each voucher describes the network where you redeem the amount in Bitcoin. On-chain means on blockchain, and Lightning is a Bitcoin layer 2. It's on Lightning that I'm going this time. I selected the voucher for 25 euros, 139 reais in Lightning, and I'm going to click Buy Now. This is an order summary. You can buy more than one voucher and add it to the cart. Alright, I'm going to click on Proceed to checkout. The only payment option available for now is via credit or debit card, so I will select this option and click Continue. Here, the website requests card details, and the final cost also appears in reais to me. It is 139 reais for the purchase of Bitcoin and another 13 reais in fees for the service, totaling 152 reais. Wherever you are, the price will appear in your local currency. Once completed, just click Continue and enter your email, where the store will send you an activation code. You may need to authorize the purchase on your card app. Then you will prove that you are a real person and confirm your email. Just click on I'm human and continue. Click on the correct image to prove that you are a human and not a bot. A code will be sent to the email you entered before. Just type here and click Continue. Now the final validation step, an SMS with an activation link will be sent to your cell phone. Just enter your number and send the activation code in Send Code. Then go to your phone text message and click on the link that was sent. Done, order confirmed, and I will click View Order Details to receive the code to redeem the sats. Now there is one more step to verify that I am a human being and not a bot. And here is the last step, confirming the purchase that was made, marking below that Azteco is the correct platform and that the global region is correct too. Now click on the yellow button on Display the Key. Now yes, everything's done. Here is my Lightning voucher code. Just copy or write it down and enter on the Azteco website to redeem it. So let's do this part. I went back here to the Azteco website and I'm going to click on Redeem. I will enter the code that appeared on the previous purchase confirmation page. The voucher has been confirmed and below is the purchase proof with the amount I paid in Bitcoin and the equivalent in Satoshis and Euros. Azteco's and Neba's commission combined and it also appears, which was 2.50 euros. Then just scan the QR code that appears there with your Lightning wallet to redeem the sats in your wallet. I will do this with Wallet of Satoshi. Then just scan the QR code that appears there with your Lightning wallet to redeem the Satoshis in your own wallet. I just opened Wallet of Satoshi here, click it on Receive, scan it, and the Satoshis arrived here in my wallet. Now I have a wallet loaded with sats and ready to use and make payments. The big advantage in this is this way you can buy Bitcoin from anywhere in the world and with any card issuer. Remembering that Lightning is not the ideal layer for you to hodl and to store Bitcoin for the long term. After all, it does not have the same degree of security as to store it in an on-chain address. It's a network for you to use Bitcoin on a daily basis and even temporarily accumulate it before converting it to on-chain and sending it to your wallet. I hope you enjoyed this option to buy sats and see you next time and opt out.